I'm saying? We gotta get back on these radio stations. We gotta start holding the radio and the TV responsible for what they show us and what they play for us and what we listen to. You know, hold them responsible. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody's gonna hold us responsible but us. And God, of course, but, you know what I'm saying? God appoints certain people to try to bring the truth out. And we need to start giving them the support that they deserve. So, yeah, we should go on the radio station and be like, hey, I want to hear some of that new Dead Prez or some of that Talib Kweli. You know what I'm saying? Basically, we need to, because that's how it used to be back in the day. I remember back in the day, you used to say, hey, play Talib Kweli, play this, instead of, I mean, I'm not saying fuck Drake, fuck Lil Wayne. I'm not going to go off on them like that. You know what I'm saying? I might bullshit and say that shit on some songs and diss Jay-Z, you know what I'm saying, and shit like that. But really, at the end of the day, if maybe they played more niggas like Talib Kweli, maybe the rappers like Jay-Z, Drake, and Lil Wayne, they would start doing their own conscious shit. It's called imitation, you know what I'm saying? Instead of, you know, but at the end of the day, you know what I'm saying, it's time for hip-hop to go back to its roots, because I know, you know, certain things have certain eras, but that bullshit era needs to be left where it was and where it is. I mean, it's going on 2012, and if you don't know, if you're not aware, major things is about to happen, and I think it needs to be, people need to know about it, instead of being blinded like mummies or zombies. Because there's no room for that shit. That zombification shit, there's no room for that shit. You need to wake up and know what's going on. And hip-hop is the best way to tell you if people would do what I'm asking for. Hopefully I won't have to rant anymore. I holler at y'all. Peace and blessings.